Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must have access to the computer where family sharing was authorized and the Steam account that enabled sharing. Once signed in, make sure Steam Guard is active because Steam requires it to manage authorized devices. Now open Steam, go to Settings, and choose Family. You're taking the first actionable step to view which accounts and devices are authorized. This removes guesswork and gets you directly into the control panel where you can revoke access. Once you're in the family settings, select Manage Other Computers to see every machine authorized to access your library. You'll remove authorizations here. You can deauthorize individual computers to stop that hardware from borrowing games, or use deauthorize all if you want a clean slate. Next, under Authorized Accounts, uncheck or remove the specific account you don't want sharing with. Make sure to apply changes and sign out on any computers you removed to force the new permissions to take effect. To finish, sign out of Steam on the devices you deauthorized and restart them. This forces Steam to refresh permissions so the shared library is no longer available. If access persists, disable Family Library sharing entirely in Settings to ensure no accounts remain authorized. If problems continue, verify Steam Guard is functioning, clear Steam cache, or temporarily reauthorize, then deauthorize the account. That often resolves stuck states. If nothing helps, contact Steam support with specific accounts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.